Hi, in this tutorial, we will learn how to auto-generate AI articles on WordPress using desired titles. Under WordPress Automatic Plugin menu, click New Campaign. Make sure the campaign type is set to AI articles. Enable this option to post by titles. Write your desired titles, comma separated. Click the Publish button. Now the campaign is published and is ready for processing. Click Run Now. A new post was generated successfully using our added title. You can run the campaign as many times as desired, and with every run, a new post will be generated. You can also set the update interval for the campaign to post a new starting from 1 minute to days. A new post was generated successfully using our added title. Thank you for watching. Plugin link is in the description.